Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I was ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I come and let the color stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering inside. We'll rise, defiant, shouted in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between.